Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Konite smartwatch for woman. We can answer and make calls. It comes with 1.8 inches display, touch screen display. So it is big enough to see everything what's going on, and it makes a good job because it comes as an activity tracker to you for Android and for iPhone. It's compatible with Alexa, built in, baby. It's fitness, heart rate, and blood oxygen monitor. It's IP68 waterproof, so you can make good use with that smartwatch here. It is the IDW19. Oh yeah, the IDW19 looks not only great, it is great because it comes with a good job, baby. This smartwatch here brings all what you need. It's IP68 waterproof, so you can go swimming with it. And of course, it's wet proof and you can use it everywhere. The IDW19 comes around and makes a good job with you. Okay, let's go. What can this smartwatch everything? It's really big bunch of possibility what this smartwatch comes with. We have a screen which comes in a nice dimension. It is big enough to read everything, and it comes with a heart rate monitor, a weather app, an HD touchscreen, sleep monitor, a long battery life, IP68 waterproof. For example, a distance counter, music control, smart notifications, 100 sports modes and blood oxygen test, camera control. The smart watch is not only fashionable because you can buy it in black or in pink, as you can see. So it's good for a man and woman and every between them too. We can make a good sleep time function. It's waterproof, multiple sports modes, long battery life, distance counter, blood oxygen, HD touchscreen, receive mobile phone messages, music playback control, mobile phone camera photo control. We ask about the weather, we set the time, alert, and so on. And what's cool is Alexa voice control. We can say, Alexa, turn on the lamp, and Alexa, no problem for it, I will do it. And you can do this between your smartwatch. It's a really cool thing. And you can make and get Bluetooth calls. That means if you connect this with your smartphone and there is coming a phone call, you can call through your smartwatch with the other side. It's really cool. It's a cool feature. Equipped with Amazon Alexa voice assistant, we log into Alexa with the VeryFit app. VeryFit is the app which you need to pair your smartphone with that smartwatch. VeryFit application and connect with the smartwatch immediately and easy via Bluetooth. We can make calls from our smartwatch without taking our phone out of the pocket. We can also record incoming call histories and contacts. And we never miss important calls, even when we can't take out our smartphone while driving or cooking, for example. This watch comes with over 100 watch faces. Provide excellent picture quality and high sensitivity touch. Customize the watch dial to make our watch more personal as you like. And it comes with an all-day activity health tracking system. Sleep, heart rate, stress, and blood oxygen level. The fitness watch can record our steps, distance, calorie consumption, And it is also equipped with an advanced sensor to monitor our heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, and all data can be synced to our phone for analytics. This helps us better understand our health and adjust our lifestyle. And a lot of sport modes. It supports 100 sports modes, such as swimming, running, rock climbing, yoga, and so on. It helps us understand our limits and adjust our exercise plan to achieve our exercise goals. Connecting with the Very Fit application, we can use more convenient functions such as pedometer, etc. And because of the waterproof standards, we don't have to worry about washing our hands, face, or even sweating when using. We do not use it for baths, saunas, or hot springs, etc. And 2.5 hour charging time, up to 7 days battery life. That's really cool. The smartwatch notification and long battery life is a good and big feature with that watch here. You see, we can use it and we can pair it easily. We turn on the Bluetooth function on our phone. We open the Google Play Store or the App Store. We search for the Very Fit app. We open the app and click Add to the device and find the IDW19 smartwatch. And then we bind it. Job's done. We open the call settings on the Very Fit app and device interface and enable this. We enter the watch submenu, click call icon and click dialer. And once connected, we could use the watch to answer and make calls again. Really cool feature. And the watch looks really cool. It looks pink with gold body or black with anthracite body, and so it's a smartwatch for everyone out there. This is the smartwatch Konite IDW19, and I say thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, yeah.